Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Advertisements are so irritating on YouTube, and we want in YouTube having no advertisements. That will happen if you buy YouTube subscription. But friends, I'll show you how to use YouTube with premium features like background music play and floating video. For this trick you must watch full video till the end. Google earn money from YouTube by showing you advertisements on contents and selling premium features. The application you will going to use is only for avoiding advertisements and gives you premium features without investing a single coin. So Google tries to resist the installation of application. You must follow my instructions step by step. Let's start our video without wasting your time. Open Play Store. Click on right top corner on your profile photo. Find Play Protect and click on it. Again click on top right corner on setting symbol. You'll get two options. Just disable both of them for few minutes. After installation, you can enable them. Now you are able to install application. Now you have to install Vanced Manager, link is given in description. After installation, open Vanced Manager. You will get this interface. You have to install YouTube Vanced and Micro G from there. Click and install them. Micro G helps to sign in your Google account on your YouTube Vanced. Now you can use YouTube Vanced as default YouTube and enjoy premium features. Thank you for watching this video. If you get this, like, share and subscribe for more Android easy hacks and tricks.